Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number first. Today's we are going to start our new series which is Bootstrap 5. We know very well that Bootstrap is the CSS frameworks to create the website layout easily. That means responsive layout. So Twitter Bootstrap or the Bootstrap 1 versions, they have released the first version in August 19, 2011 and the second version they have released, as you can see, in 2012. We were using the Bootstrap 3 version in 2000, as you can see, in 2013, and the fourth version we are using, I think, for 5 years. Sorry, it's 4 versions in 2015. They have introduced the Bootstrap 4 version. Currently we are using the Bootstrap 4 version, but now, as you can see, Twitter Bootstrap just released the beta version, which is the 5 version or the 5th version of the Bootstrap family. So now, as you can see, they are going to launch the 5th version in June 2020. So this is the official date to release the Bootstrap 5 version. Now in this series we are going to cover a lot of things in Bootstrap 5. Let's suppose the classes they have introduced in Bootstrap 5, the classes they have deprecated in the version 5. I'm talking about the version 4 classes, and they have deprecated. They have introduced a lot of things, a lot of new things in version 5. We are going to start from the scratch, like what is Bootstrap, what is framework. Then we discuss about the new features. Then we start from the grid systems, and we will view or review the version, the components of the Bootstrap 5. Let's talk about how can you create your buttons, how can you create your input fields, how can you create your jump buttons. Okay, so now as you can see, build fast responsive site with Bootstrap. Okay, so this is the current version of the Bootstrap while I'm recording this lecture, 5.0.0 beta 1. If you click on the getting started, as you can see, they are giving you some CDNs to add the CSS and JS files. If you are not familiar with the CSS and JS file to add the framework in your project, don't worry, we are going to discuss from the scratch, like how can you embed the CSS tree, and so we're gonna start from the basics, like how can you embed the CSS and JS file of the Bootstrap in your project, and what are the features they are giving. So now, as you can see, they are saying they have the content, and they have the forms, they have the components, they also have some other functionality available here. So they have the helpers, utilities, extend, about a lot of things we are going to cover in this version 5. So now, as you can see, you can also view the version here, version 2, version 3, version 4, and the currently version of the Bootstrap family is a 5.x version. So I hope you will enjoy this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.